So today I've got the Shuffle Tarot Collection B for you to see. 78 cards, the Collection B, 22 Major Arcana, 40 Minors, 16 Court cards, and different scenes popping up in different places, as you can see on the box. It comes with a booklet here, that takes you through just some of the key meanings of the cards, not necessarily the symbols that are different on each card, just a little bit about each card, and it's right through into Swords, Wands, the Cups, and the Pentacles. Okay, so got your little, used to be called a white book, that one's a yellow book. So let's jump right in. So we've got the Fool showing up here with our Magician. And then we've got the Magician showing up the High Priestess in the scene. And then we have a High Priestess, and that comes from the Sun card. And then we've got the Empress with our figure from the Death card. Then we have an empty throne, which is our scene from the Emperor. But here we have the Chariot and our two Sphinxes. Okay, moving on, we've now got a Hierophant, and that looks like one of our Knights. And here we have the Hermit. And we've got the Lovers, and in this we see the scene from Judgment, the Chariot, and here we see the scene from Justice, and the World card. In our Strength card we've got the Chariot and what looks like the element there of a sword. And character here, that she's from the Strength card, isn't she? She's Strength itself. Hermit here. Okay, and there we've got our Charioteer, and that doesn't look like the head of the Charioteer. That actually looks like it might have come from the Star card, not sure on that one. Okay, so Wheel of Fortune. And Wheel of Fortune has the Magician with the elements there. And the Justice card, turning up there with Strength. And the Hanged Man, and there we have Temperance in the upside down position there for our Hanged Man. And the Death card. This is the Lovers scene in the background, a complete different scene going on there. That's our Death card sort of scene, mixed here with the Lovers scene. We've got something very different going on here, combined from another major card. And there's Temperance card, and that looks like the Star card figure. She's showing up in our Temperance sort of scene. And there's the Fool turning up in position of the Devil. And there is the Tower. And what have we got thrown in there? The Star card now is combined with the World Dancer figure. Our Moon card has got the creatures that look as if they come from our Devil card, where we've got Adam and Eve growing tails. Maybe that's a little bit of both. Maybe that one's from the Lovers and that one's from Devil card. Difficult to know. Our Hermit's turned up in the Sun card. And then our Devil has turned up in Judgment, and the Hangman has turned up in the Wheel of Life, which is the World card. Interesting. Okay, right, so let's have a look at the suits. And so we begin with Ace of Swords, which is the scene here from Ace of Pentacles. Two of Swords comes from the scene of Two of Wands. Three of Swords, this comes from Three of Pentacles scene. Four of Swords comes from the scene of Four of Wands. And the Five of Swords is our scene from Five of Cups. And Six of Swords is our scene from Six of Cups characters. Seven of Swords comes from our Seven of Cups. Eight of Swords comes from our Eight of Wands. This is the fellow from Nine of Cups in our Nine of Swords. Here's the Ten of Swords, and that's the scene from the Ten of Wands. Here's the Page of Swords. Gosh, interesting. That looks like the Page of Swords, but maybe the outfit is actually trying to tell us it's from another suit. It's not really obvious to me, that one. Knight of Swords. Well, there we go. We have our Death character here from the Death scene. And then in Queen of Swords, we've actually got, wow, look at that. That's from the Justice. So that first one, Page of Swords, that looks like the Fool. Could be wrong. I think it is, look. I'll tell you why. Look, there's the little dog. I thought it was. Okay. Justice and Queen of Swords makes sense, good. And King of Swords shows up as our Hierophant, so they've used some major characters for the court cards. There we go, Ace of Cups, and the scene comes from, I would say, the Ace of Swords. Two of Cups coming in here from Two of Wands. Three of Cups, but in actual fact, we are looking at the scene from the Three of Swords and the Three of Cups. And for the Four of Cups, we've got a scene here from the Four of Swords. That scene comes from the Five of Pentacles, but it's in our Five of Cups. This is the Six of Cups, but this is the scene that we see from the Six of Pentacles. This is the Seven of Cups, so this comes from the scene of the Seven of Wands. And there is our Eight of Cups, but this is familiar to the scene we see from Eight of Pentacles. Here is a scene that we know is the Nine of Cups, but in this case, this lady belongs from the Nine of Pentacles. And the Ten of Cups, and this is the Ten of Pentacles scene. Page of Cups, there's our Temperance. Knight of Cups, the Hermit, riding on his horse. Queen of Cups here. Well, where does she come from? She looks like she belongs from the Strength card to me. Maybe not. The Devil's showing up here as the King of Cups. Interesting. And the Ace of Wands. And this is a scene from the Ace of Cups, the water there. Two of Wands. This is, actually feels to me as if they might be the Two of Cups. And these are three girls that come from the Three of Cups, but they are appearing as looking out to sea and are seen for the Three of Wands. Four of Wands, And we're used to seeing that as the Four of Cups, our character pulling away, needing to decompress. And the Five of Wands, this is a scene from the Five of Swords. Six of Wands, this is a scene from the Six of Swords. Seven of Wands, this is a scene from the Seven of Pentacles. The Eight of Wands, this is a scene from the Eight of Swords. The Nine of Wands, this is our scene from Nine of Pentacles. This is a different character. And our Ten of Cups, showing that they have got the Ten of Wands. Page of Wands, so it's our sunflowers and the child and the horse from the Sun card. Knight of Wands, there's our magician riding on Knight of Wands' horse. Queen of Wands, she is the Empress with child. King of Wands, here comes the Emperor for the suit of Pentacles, so our Ace of Pentacles comes from another scene here, which comes from the suit of Wands. There's our Two of Pentacles showing up that we normally see as the Two of Swords. Three of Pentacles, this is the scene that we normally see as the Three of Cups, the dancing ladies, celebration. Four of Pentacles, well, this is very different, and they're normally the figures that we actually see in the Four of Wands. These figures, Five of Pentacles. These are the characters from the Five of Swords. Picking up the pieces for the Pentacles. The Six of Pentacles there. These are the figures from the Six of Swords. We normally see them from the back. There's the ferryman and the woman and the child in the boat. Seven of Pentacles there, that's the Seven of Swords scene. Eight of Pentacles, that's the Eight of Cups scene. Nine of Pentacles, that's our Nine of Swords. Ten of Pentacles is the scene that we normally see associated with the Ten of Swords. Page of Pentacles looks like our Hanged Man, especially with that hair. Wow. Well, that's our Charioteer turning up as Knight of Pentacles and changed our horse into a stripy one. Mr. Zebra, is it or isn't it? Queen of Pentacles, interesting. It's the High Priestess. And our King of Pentacles. And here we see our angel from the Lovers card. So what an interesting deck. Absolutely filled with so many possibilities. I hope you enjoyed looking at the Shuffle Tarot, which is Collection B. Till next time, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.